A day in our life as a STEM student who studies chemistry. Cooking is mandatory now. We cook 3 times or more a day, and heat causes chemical changes in ingredients such as boiling, frying, and baking. Cleaning can be done in all sorts of ways. We use cleaning products such as soaps, detergents, and bleach that compose of chemical substances that can remove grease and dirt. And lastly, cosmetics is widely used in our family, mainly our mother. And cosmetics is a formulation of different ingredients that can help boost our confidence.
Next, let's talk about community. So what makes community? Community is built on the unity of people. So now, let's tackle what are the things from the list that we put in the community group. First is medicine, cleaning, and plastics. First, let's talk about one of the primary needs of our community. It is the medicine. It helps cure, prevent, or heal sickness and wounds of the people. Second, let's talk about plastics. It can be seen everywhere, like the fairings of the motorcycle, or even cups, utensils, and chairs. It is composed of different kinds of chemicals and ingredients that help it serve its purpose. Plastics is used as building blocks for structural properties to help with the community's everyday life. Lastly is fertilizer. It is important in our community, such as Chaong. The businesses and jobs here revolves at planting and farming. Fertilizers is used for the healthy and growth of the soil, for our products to be good and satisfactory.
And lastly, technology. These are the tools and ideas that is built to solve and to make our lives easier. First is electronic. It is widely used in technologies through everyone, through their gadgets, appliances, and it also helps us to innovate and to improve our economy. For example, is the electronic vehicle, which help us to save up our money.
And lastly, fuel, as it serves as energy provider for machines and our vehicle.
That's it for a day in our life as a STEM student who's learning chemistry.
I hope you all learn from us.
Bye-bye!